What's going on, y'all? So right now I ain't never really done no vlogging type stuff before. I ain't never done no vlogging, but I'm sitting outside the shop right now and I got an appointment about to come, but I gotta get used to this. I got an appointment about to come, but I'm about to do an unboxing. I guess I could have did this in the shop, but I don't want to, so I ain't. And I look scruffy as hell. Like, look at this beard. You wouldn't even tell I cut hair or do nothing. I look like a bum. But okay, let's get it. The JRL clippers. So I got the 2020C, the cordless clipper, and then the trimmer. Don't mind this on my fingernails. I do construction on houses, property management. My family's company, so sometimes I'll be looking scruffy. However, I ordered these. These are used. I got these off of eBay. It was kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. I basically got both of these for the price of the clippers, which is what I ordered them for. So let me get this opened up, and then okay. So just getting into it. The packaging is really nice. Like, everything kind of like slides out of this box, which is cool. And then it's in this box here. Everything has a little JRL logo on there. It's really nice. So that. Let's get to the clipper. They have hair on them because, like I said, I bought them used. But they seem cool so far. I like the ergonomics of them. They fit in my hand really good. My hands is ashy. They fit in my hand really good. Let's see if they got some battery. So they do have some battery in them. They have 3 hours of battery left. Oh, they do have like a little place for your thumb on the back, which is cool. Not too loud. I like the LED logos and stuff. I'm gonna read the instructions and get into them more. I did want to get the fade blade. This has a standard blade on there, so I am going to trade that out and get the fade blade. But I am going to just use them just as is and see how they cut. I might, let's see. Yeah, I might adjust the blade on these just to get them a little bit closer. But then let's see what's underneath here. All right, so underneath it comes with a guard set, which is cool. I'm not sure if these guards are interchangeable, like if they're like maybe the same size as like maybe a wall guard or an index guard, but I'll check when I get in the shop. Then here's the power cord. It's similar to the power cords I already have. Let me see the outlet. Yeah, this looks like the this is the same charging cord for the It's the same charging cord for the Babyliss LI, but all the Babyliss clippers, the newer Babyliss clippers, that's all the FX edition. This charger will work for those, and then it's also the same charger as the what the fuck clippers I cut with now? The NVLIs. It's the same charger as the NVLIs, so that's cool. Let me open the edges and see what they giving. So here we have the trimmers. They have the same body style as the edge or as the clippers, which is cool. They do have they're like the ergonomics of it. They feel good in my hands. I have kind of smaller hands, but yeah. So that's what they look like. They also have the LED light on the front. They do not have the charging time on there. So I have to look that up and see what the charge time is from. Also pretty quiet, not too loud. This looks like the blades on these are deep tooth, it looks like. They might also have some other options if you buy like aftermarket stuff, but it comes with some deep tooth blades. It looks kinda zero gapped. Let's see. Kinda. It could be closer. But I will probably try them out how they are. of course, get everything cleaned off and sanitized and stuff like that. And I am going to get everything cleaned off and sanitized, but I am going to sanitize my hands when I get done with this because coronavirus. And like I said, I did buy these from an individual seller on eBay. So these seem pretty cool too. Kind of lightweight. They do have a scratch on the back, which was listed in the listing on eBay, which I don't care. So yeah, these are them. I am going to cut with them probably for like a week or something and just see how they cut, and then come back to you guys with how I feel about the clippers overall. So far, I mean, I haven't used them, but I have heard good reviews about them. Like, everybody says that they're pretty great clippers, so I think they'll be pretty good. Like I said, I'll come back once I've used them for a little while and let you guys know how it goes. So thank you for watching, and I guess I don't need to say thank you for watching if I ain't done yet. Hey y'all, it's Fantastic Chair here back again. I'm here to do the review finish the review on the JRL clippers. So somehow I forgot to bring the clippers home with me, but I feel like I can still review them. So as far as the outlet cord or the power cord, so the power cord is not the same between the Babeless and the NVLIs. I mentioned the power cord when I did my first unboxing video. It's not the same. I think that power cord is actually more like the power cord for the wall shavers. So the wall shavers, I believe, have the same power cord as this. The NVLIs and the Babeless clippers do not have the same charger, so you cannot interchange those. Sadly, I wish they were the same charger. Also, notice that there is 2 power settings. So on the clippers, they have a low power mode and then a high power mode. Usually when I'm cutting with them, or since I've been cutting with them after purchasing them, since I've been using them recently, I use the clippers on the high power mode when I do my first fade, going through, knocking the hair down. And then when I go back in to do like detail work, I'll put them on the second power mode. Of course, when you use more power, the battery runs down a little bit faster, but I didn't notice a significant difference from the charge life or the battery life from running the clippers at the higher speed to the lower speed. There's a slight difference, but it wasn't that noticeable to me. Usually on the full charge, every time I've charged them up to a full charge, they've been at 4 hours. Fade blade with those clippers, and I don't think that I am. I might get it just to try it, but right now I really like the blade that it comes with. It cuts really well. I get good blends with it. I don't need the fade blade. It would be nice to try, but I don't want to buy it, and I don't really even use it or need it. But from what I've asked other people prior to buying these clippers, they said that the fade blade is really, really great. So the guards are similar. They aren't exactly the same. But they are pretty much interchangeable from each clipper, which I mentioned earlier in the unboxing video. Oh, when my clippers are all the way open, they are a little bit more noisy than they are when they're between. I think the level has maybe 6 different levels. In terms of the lever, and so when they get to that 6th or 5th level, the second to open, they are a little bit more noisy than they are when they're closed. I have seen some other videos where they said that there's a plastic piece on the inside that could potentially break apart. So hopefully that doesn't happen with my clippers, and they're able to just keep running and running until I don't need them any longer, or I'm able to get something else. I definitely like the ergonomics. They're easy to hold in my hands. My hands don't get tired of holding them. My hands don't feel like they're like cramping up or anything while they're holding them. So I really do like that. I also noticed that once I started cutting hair with them, I didn't reach for my NVLIs or my other adjustable clippers. I've just been using those solely. So I definitely do feel like I got a good experience with them, a good sense of use, and I did cut hair throughout the holiday season, so I was pretty busy, and the clippers held up. I had no issues with them. I had absolutely no issues with them. Work perfectly. They don't really get too hot. they're just great clippers all around. I think they're great clippers. I think that I might order the fade blade and just see how I like those and if they work any better. But as for now, I think I'm gonna stick with the blade that has the standard blade and just keep chopping with them. I like them a lot. Now, these here, I remembered to bring these home. These suck so bad. Like, I don't know, when they made them, I don't know if did they use them on people? Because like, to me, the way this is shaped, where it has this concave right here, it almost is at the same level as where the blade is. So it makes them really, I had a hard, it felt like I wasn't able to edge people up. Like if you see on my head, like it's like I guess indented to my head. Like I usually, okay, so when I buy edgers, I always try them on myself first. I never use edgers on somebody else before I try them on myself. So I adjusted them. They weren't biting or anything like that. They seemed okay. But they did still seem sharp. So I was like, okay, cool. So I'm using them on my head and it's like they're not cutting anything. I used them on my facial hair. They were cutting a little bit better on facial hair. So then I was like, okay, well, let me try them on clients. They weren't cutting at all. It's like they weren't crispy. Like it just, I don't know, I could not get these to hit. And so I was like, okay, well, let me maybe move them a little bit closer. Maybe they need to be almost to where they'll cut you, like real sharp. So I'm like, okay, let me do that. So I made them sharp. They're sharp and they still don't, like, I can't cut with them. Like, I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's the build. I don't know what it is. But these and I do not get along. So then I was like, okay, well, they've got a little bit of power. They're pretty good on power. Maybe I'll use these to ball people out. They catch hair. Like if you have a client, you know, sometimes people have like maybe acne or they'll have like dry patches on their skin or on their face. If this goes over the dry patch, it's going to catch it. If you have a razor bump on your neck or on somewhere on your face, it's going to catch it. Like, what am I supposed to do with these? What am I supposed to do with this crap? So yeah, these, I don't know. I don't know what you were doing with this one, JRL. I really don't know. I'm going to try to sell these on eBay. Hopefully somebody will want to buy them. Hopefully they don't watch my review before they buy them so they can buy them from me. Scammer tees, but these here, they ain't it. Like, they ain't it at all. So, but yeah, this is my review. Like I said, I like the clippers, the JRL 2020 C's. They my jam. I like them a lot. I've tried a lot of different adjustable clippers. I've used those. I don't really use wall adjustable clippers, so I don't really know a lot about different wall adjustable clippers as far as seniors and all that stuff. I don't know about those. But I've used the Babyliss FX. I can't remember the exact name of them, but they're adjustable clippers. I don't like those because of the shape of them. They kind of remind me of the shape of a 76. I don't like 76s. And of course, all the Andis Masters, I'm comfortable with those. But overall, these are some amazing clippers. I really like the clipper. Like I said, the edger, I don't know where they were going with that one, but it was a miss for me. But thanks for watching the review, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment, make sure you like. I'm engaging with people, so if you hit me up, I'm going to hit you back. So just help me grow the channel, and I just appreciate you all for watching, and thanks. Bye.